Hi everyone, have you heard about the 100-day project? Well, I'm going to attempt it, and I challenged myself to draw, doodle, or sketch every day for 100 days right before I go to bed. See, if I do it right before I go to bed, it will relax me, and I'll probably get more done. And I might be able to stick to it. So let's see what day I'm on. See, I lost my numbers. I didn't number them off. Okay, we'll find out in a minute. So here is day one. If it doesn't make you feel fabulous, don't do it. Don't buy it. Don't keep it. Actually, I think these are already in here. Let me find day one. So I'm just doodling. Day one was Grouchy Greg. And the pen bled through from the other side. They're not supposed to bleed through on these pages. But fire everywhere. Day two, I just did some more flower doodling. Day three, I did some bird doodling. Day four, I did some mushrooms. Day five, I just did this wacky looking girl with the kinky hair. Oops, I skipped day five. No, she was day five. Day six, I did the silhouette of the girl walking in the rain. And some of them are colored, some of them aren't, some are finished. This is my Busy Betty on day 7. She's rushing off somewhere. Day 8, this girl rocks. Day 9 is me in a few years. And I'm probably going to add more to them. You know, especially this one. I'll put something in the background on her. It's just, you know, I like to draw characters looking people. Here's my mama's baby boy. I just love him to death. I just love him. I put him on a lot of things. I really do. I put him in a Super Bowl shirt today on my journal. Here's just a flower. Here's just a little boy looking down. Here's another sketch. See, I've got a tree, a bird. You know, I was just... If I'm watching lives, a lot of times if it's late at night, I'm doing something like this in my book and watching. I haven't colored this one. I haven't finished this one, actually. Here, Nicole Leverett, Relax Cut Glue came on my live. And she did the most beautiful, beautiful Picasso painting. And I was tempted to learn how to draw them. And I haven't inked it in yet because I'm not sure if I'm going to leave him like he is or change him. Here is another one I attempted to draw. I may color these in. If I do, I'll show them to you. A lot of them I haven't inked in yet. I hope you can see it. Here's just one of my simple little girls. Here's another one of my simple girl figures. I like drawing kids. I don't know why. I just always have. Here is another one. This one's supposed to be a little oriental, but haven't got all the way. Here's a cat in a cup. Here's just one of my sketches. I think this is the last one. It's just a log cabin out in the mountains, and here's a clothesline with clothes on it, a fence, a fire pit, and I'm not inking these. These are sketches that are done with drawing pencils, so I won't put any ink on these or color them in. These I will come back and ink in. Some of them I will color. But this is going to be my 100-day project. Just try to do something every day before I go to bed at night so that I kind of relax and I'm doing something every day for 100 days. Now, whether I make it 100 days or not, we shall see. I need to come back and finish numbering these, and you'll see this book again. Maybe. If I stick to it. Alright, thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.